Alright, so here's my 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness, and today we're installing the Nameless Performance Muffler Delete. You see that on the screen?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the welds are beautiful. Okay, so right underneath the car, you'll see the flanges where the OEM muffler attaches to the remainder of the exhaust. We just have two, I believe, 14mm bolts that we're going to remove there. And then there are three hangers underneath the car. One, two, and then on the other side, three. All right, so I have a couple 14mm sockets, a universal joint in case I need it, and a hanger remover set of pliers. Should make it easy. There was absolutely no difficulties in removing the bolts. Now this car is pretty much brand new, but as far as clearance and room to work, you have plenty. I didn't even need to jack the car up. Here's a quick side-by-side of the two, just so you can see how much bulk we're eliminating. All right, now it's time to bolt this one up. Okay, so the exhaust is now hung. I did use a little bit of light grease to get it into those isolators. Now we just gotta wiggle the gasket in and bolt it up. And there you have it. Bolted in place, everything lined up nicely. Time to start her up. So just some quick final thoughts for those who happen to care. As far as drones or anything like that, I didn't find that the car droned at all. Now I did only drive it around the block, so it might be different on the highway, but it's not unbearable at all. In fact, I think that the tone is quite delightful. I'm really looking forward to driving the car around. It sounds way more spirited, more aggressive without being obnoxious. So if you're considering it, check out the Nameless Performance Muffler Delete. I'll see you later.